Tip of the day: use the screener to compare price with market trends. First, open the Data Explorer and set the graph type to screener. Load multiple coins, then choose Open Interest as the indicator. Select all tickers, set your time frame, and hit Run. Now, switch the view to Normalized Data, relative to itself. This makes comparison much clearer. Next, head into Settings, add BTC as the OHLC graph, and hit Apply. Here's what you'll notice. When BTC price dropped, the screener turned darker, showing open interest decreasing. Later, as BTC bounced with an upward wick, the screener lightened up. Right now, with price trending lower again, open interest across the market is also falling. The screener makes it simple to spot market-wide reactions to BTC moves. A powerful way to track confluence in real time.